Hello everyone, welcome to the Developers and Coders Club. Today we will discuss lever problem. You have a description of a lever as a string. We will represent the string length as a record S. Then the lever looks as a horizontal bar with the weight of length S minus 1 with exactly one pivot. We will assume that the bar is segmented on x-axis between 0 to S minus 1. The decoding of the lever description is given below. If the ith character of string is equals to this, that means the coordinate I there is pivot under the bar. If the ith character of the string is equals to sign, that means the coordinate I there is nothing lying on the bar. If the ith character of string is equals to the digit 1 to 9, that means the coordinate I there is a weight of mass C on the bar. Your task is to given that the lever description print if it will be the in balance or not. Assume that the bar does not weight anything. Assume that the bar is initially at balance. Then all weights are simultaneously put on the bar. After that, the bar either tilted to the left or either tilted to the right or is in balance. Inputs. The first line contains the lever description as a non-empty string consisting of digits 1 to 9 characters equals to, and it is guaranteed that the line contains exactly one character pivot. It is guaranteed that the pivot of the lever is not located in the end of the lever bar. To solve the problem, you may need to 64-bit integer because of the length of string. Please do not forget them. Use them. Print left if the lever tilted to the left. Print right if the lever tilted to the right. Print balance if the lever is balanced. First, in this problem, first we will find the pivot index and store the pivot index in pivot. Then we will traverse the whole string from 0 to L minus 1. That length is string is here L. Then we will traverse 0 to L minus 1 and find the pivot. Then we will start from pivot traversing the string in the left side or right side and increase the distance by 1. When we will find any character which is lies between 1 to 9, then we will multiply distance into value of the character in the left sum or right sum. As you can see, first test is 9 11 9 sorry equals to 9 pivot equals to 1. The index of pivot is 4 and we will traverse it from pivot to left side and right side, and length here 1 2 3 and 4. By the torque concept, torque left equals to 9 multiplied by distance is 4 from the pivot index, and torque right equals to the distance from the pivot index, which is 3 multiplied by weight 1. This is 3 and this is 36. Then after comparing the torque, then if both torque are equal, then we will print balance. If the left sum is greater than the right sum, then we will print left, else we will print right. So here you can see the code of lever. First we will take input and store pivot, then start traversing to the left side and left sum. Now start traversing the string from pivot element to uh, right side, then store the right sum. Then after doing this, we will see either right sum equals to left sum, or right sum is greater than left sum, or right sum is less than left sum. Then we will take a input from the test cases and copy it and paste it here. Then you can see clearly you can see answer is left. Here answer is left. So try it. Thank you.